Just a quick video on Strike 1 Arsenal Firearms field stripping while I've got it out, just doing a little bit of cleaning. Obviously, magazine out. Safety always first. Make sure that there's no magazine, there's no live ammunition anywhere. Gun's clear. Slide forward, and then you will have first here on the Strike 1, you've got the visual indicator for the firing pin that your gun is cocked. So as soon as you pull the trigger, you got to fire the trigger and it disappears and your gun's ready for field strip. So you've got here the takedown pin. So all you have to do is just move the slide back slightly, push that straight through, comes out on the other side, pull it all the way up, stays on the frame, it actually doesn't come out, and then your slide is ready to come off straight away and your gun is ready to be cleaned. And that's it. Very easy to do a field strip on the Strike 1 for quick cleaning and maintenance after a range session. And now putting it back together, it's exactly as easy. So there's a slide back on the rail again, all the way back, and then you have now, all you have to do is just rack the slide just slightly, just a little bit to the back, so allow that pin to be seated in properly. It comes through again, as you can see, and then you release the slide, and then it's ready for a quick function check. Obviously, we make sure that everything is working. Slide locks open, empty magazine, slide forward, all 100% ready to go, and that's it. That's how easy it is to do field strip on the Strike 1.